And by the way, just because I haven't mentioned it thus far and I want to make sure you have a clearer picture of things as possible, this focus on cloud-based infrastructure, the private cloud, the hybrid cloud, etc., takes the form of things like the multi-tenant Oracle database that we've already discussed before, Oracle Enterprise Manager Cloud Control, that's another cloud-based management tool that you can manage all sorts of different Oracle instances from all over the world in one console. And what you're looking at on the screen right now is the cloud.oracle.com website. Oracle will actually offer or sell you access to Oracle database through their data centers. This would be an example of a public cloud, or really, strictly speaking, a hybrid cloud where you're using Oracle's infrastructure to set up a private, personal, cloud-based Oracle instance. Now, it's not cheap, believe me. But of course, the great convenience is most or all of the stuff I've been teaching you in the course thus far in terms of instance management, memory management, is taken care of for you by Oracle. All you need to worry about when you're running an Oracle database in the cloud is populating it with data. Isn't that great? So that's just something else to think as we're going forward. Think about it. Oracle, the cloud, and you.